Now here's how you can turn off the microphone on your Android phone. Let me guide you through it and show you how it could technically work. If it's your first time on this channel, subscribe so you do not miss future videos and tutorials like this. Anyways, you can open up your settings app and the microphone, and the most important part about it, can be managed when you head over to the settings app where you can manage your device's security and privacy. That is the manage or the section where you can manage this. And in here, I want you to scroll down a little bit and find the permissions manager. And then this is where you can see not only your camera access and contacts and so on, but most definitely microphone as well. And it depends on what specifically you want to do with it, but in case you want to turn it off, you would basically just disable access for most of the apps. The important part is the allowed all the time, because you probably don't want some random apps to have access to your microphone even without using the app. So me personally, I keep none of the apps in the top section, but even those which can allow or use microphone while I use those apps, well, for them I can also decide if I want to allow it or not. Obviously for the camera app, I want to have it turn on, because if I record a video, I want to actually make the sound be captured there as well. So it's kind of specific, but this is how you can turn it off in here inside of the settings, specifically for each service or app. So that is how I would personally go about it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I would really love to hear your feedback about this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.